Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn. If you are new here, hey girl, how you doing? And if you're not new here, what it do, baby boo? You already know what the deal is. My name is Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you guys about how I whiten my teeth. I don't think you have to have the most perfect teeth, but if your teeth are yellow, then you know it will show more that you don't really have perfect teeth. At least they're not yellow and fucked up, they're like white and fucked up. My logic. So what I whiten my teeth with is White with Styles whitening kit. It does come with instructions. Read the instructions because whitening your teeth it's your mouth. It shows you guys, it tells you guys exactly how to use it. Also, always, I think they do always put this in the orders, but it says 50% off your next order. I do have a coupon code that will be listed in the description box, and I'll put it right here. Retail price for this product is $269.99, but with my discount code, y'all can get it for a whopping $28. So it does come with a teeth whitening shade guide to see like how white your teeth can get and how yellow your teeth are. I have a couple of these. I have not used this exact one yet, but I do have like 3 more of these White with Style whitening kit that I do use. I want to show you guys this one because this is how it looks when it comes. You know, I don't want to show you guys the one that I've already been using. So it comes with this little syringe, and this is what the product comes in, the whitening product. So it comes with these vitamin E swabs that you break open. Vitamin E comes out into the little swab, and you put it on your gums. That just protects it while you're whitening your teeth. It also comes with these 2 trays, these 2 teeth trays. Tells you the directions, but you put these in boiling water so they can like get flimsy. It makes it easier to mold to your teeth, you know, so it fits better in your mouth. When you've molded your teeth trays, you apply the gel and you put them in your mouth. And this is like my favorite part because it's just so cool, and I love LED lights. But this is the LED light that actually whitens your teeth. Just put it in your mouth and it whitens your teeth for you. So you leave it in your teeth for like 30 minutes, and then when you're done, you obviously take it out and then you wash your mouth out. And I whiten my teeth about once a week. That's when I do my like self-care routine where I put on a mask and I whiten my teeth. This is great if you just want to add another step to your self-care routine, because having a beautiful white smile, it changes your life so much, because I feel like that's the like thing that people look at, you know, especially people that don't make eye contact. They normally like look at people's mouths, and if your teeth ain't white, then you're gonna feel self-conscious about it. And yeah, now you don't have to. I actually have 3 teeth whitening videos, so I will list all of them in the description box for you guys so you can see other videos. A long time ago, before I started using this, I used to use the Crest wipe strips, and they were expensive and they would make my teeth super sensitive. And I take like toothaches very seriously. Like, I cannot deal with like something wrong with my mouth, because then I won't be able to eat and all that or drink anything. And I've been drinking so much coffee. Right now I'm drinking iced coffee. I only drink iced coffee out of a straw. I drink hot coffee with my mouth. And I do drink coffee a lot. If you drink coffee a lot, if you drink wine a lot, if you just eat things that stain your teeth, this is perfect for you. Really like a steal, because it works and your life will actually change, because people will notice that your teeth are whiter, and you'll just notice like you'll be smiling more and all of that, you know. You're gonna be with your crush like If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Everything will be listed in the description box. You guys need to try this product out. I'm not playing. I have made about 3 videos for White with Style and I love it. Like, I've been using it for years. So, I ain't new to this. I'm something to this. How does that quote go? I'm not new to this. I'm cool to this. I don't know. I don't know how the quote goes. But I ain't new to this. Okay? Peace.